we are out here at the National SkillsUSA Masonry Contest. We've got 43 contestants from all across the country competing today. SkillsUSA is a national career technical student organization. They're tucked within the local high schools all across the country. It allows that student to get involved in something extracurricular like football, basketball, except they actually get to showcase the skills they learn at the school and compete and move on, start their career. The student has to win their state competition. So they start out at a regional and then go on to the state level. So we've got the best of the best from all across the country representing their home state.
SkillsUSA or any local competitions that they have where industry is involved, it's really, really good because you get connected to the industry, they get to talk to you, you can maybe one day have a job with them.
We have to have it. I'm getting older, all of our Masons are getting older. We've got to have that. If we're going to keep this industry going forward, we've got to keep bringing the youth in, or it'll be a dying art, a dying trade.
I'm loving it. I think it's awesome. You know, it's a great opportunity. A lot of kids don't get this opportunity, and it's really something special. It opens your eyes to the world of bricklaying.
I've been at SkillsUSA since 2010 in middle school. I love it. It's my favorite organization ever. It's the reason I want to be a teacher, the reason I picked the school I did. SkillsUSA has been a huge part of my life and has really influenced me.